DSCR loans. So this episode is all based on debt service coverage ratio loans, investor cash flow loans, and I want to talk about it because non-QM loans are heating up. They're getting very hot, and there's a lot of investor loans that are out there, especially going into 2025 with lower interest rates. So I wanted to discuss exactly because we get so much demand for this type of loan because basically it's an investment, single family, multifamily, no documentation loans. So you don't need income documents. You don't need employment. You can buy a rental property where you can cash out without disclosing your personal income, closing your LLC, and get cash out up to 80% or purchase a property up to 85% of the purchase price. You don't even have to have a job. So as you can see, it's a very hot product. So I want to talk about exactly what exactly is a DSCR. So if you hear this word DSCR, debt service, so what it stands for is debt service coverage ratio. So basically what it means is whatever the monthly payment is, your PITI, the rents that you are collecting or the market rents for the property have to equal a certain percentage. Now, many different products have different ratios. The normal is 1 to 1, but there are some that go down to 0.75, 0.55, or even no ratio. So it could be a vacant property, have no producing rental income, and you can still cash out. It just depends on the product that you're doing, your credit, the property location. The bottom line is you don't need employment, you don't need income for your personal situation. You can close your LLC and your EIN. You don't have to close on your personal credit. You still have to sign personally as a managing member of the LLC. But the beautiful thing is that it's a no doc loan, so you don't have to have employment. Usually, these loans you have to have up to 6 months of reserves. Now, if you're taking cash out, the reserves can qualify, or the cash out can qualify for the reserves. So that's a really powerful thing. And usually, these loans do have prepayment penalties in them from 0, depending on 5 years. Now, obviously, if you get a lower rate, it's going to have a longer prepayment penalty. Like I said, for purchases, typically you can go up to 85% of the purchase price. That means that you're going to put 15% down. Us as the lender, I'm going to give you 85%. If you're trying to cash out, you can, I mean, most of the products are 70 to 75. Some go up to 80. It's all based on credit, experience, location, property type, reserves, things like that. So you can go up to 80%. But it's an awesome program. And it's not a Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac product. So there is no automated underwriting. There is no income check. There's no tax returns. There's no W-2s. There's no pay stubs. It's a very simple loan to get. And you can get it nationwide. It doesn't matter if you're in Hawaii, New York, Texas, Florida. It doesn't matter. And you can get as many properties as you want. There's no restrictions on how many properties that you have. So it's a hot product. Very sexy, great program that we offer. So if we can help you with that, we offer that as a direct lender. We can go up to a $10 million loan on the DSCR. Our minimum loan amount is $100,000. A few things about it. You have to have at least a 575 or higher credit score and no bankruptcy or foreclosure in the last 3 years. Again, the property could be vacant or you could have a tenant in it. So it just depends on the situation. So reserves, if you're doing a cash out, the equity of the cash out can be your reserves. If you're purchasing, you're going to have your own reserves. You can get a gift for partial of the down payment, but you do have to have at least 5% of your own money if you're buying. So there's other restrictions, obviously. So reach out to us. We offer this product nationwide. Call or text my office so we can help you with the DSCR loan. Angelo Christian, we're nationwide commercial, residential, private lender, 832-431-6331. Definitely looking forward to hearing.